Hello, in this session we are going to discuss about the DevSecOps project with the complete CICD pipeline through the integrating different tools for the security purpose. Let's understand DevSecOps. DevSecOps is an approach to software development that integrates security practices into the DevOps workflow. It aims to shift security left in the development process, meaning that security considerations are addressed early and continuously throughout the software development lifecycle. Some key aspects of DevSecOps. Shift left. DevSecOps emphasizes addressing security concerns as early as possible in the development process, ideally starting from the design phase. Automation is another key aspect. It is the fundamental principle of DevSecOps. Security testing, compliance check, vulnerability scanning, and other security processes are automated wherever possible. It also increases collaboration. DevSecOps promotes collaboration between development, operations, and security teams. By breaking down silos and fostering communication, teams can work together more effectively to identify and remediate security issues. Continuous security. DevSecOps emphasizes the continuous monitoring and improvement of security practices. In overall, DevSecOps aim to create a more secure and resilient software development process by integrating security into every stage of the SDLC, from planning and coding to testing and deployment. This approach helps organizations to deliver software faster while minimizing security risk and vulnerabilities. Let's discuss about this project. First of all, using Terraform, we will create the Jenkins and SonarQube server. Then what this Jenkins does here is, through the Jenkins pipeline, it will check out the GitHub repo from the GitHub, and this will check first using the tree file scan and create the Docker image and push that Docker image into the Docker Hub. Besides this, it will also scan that Docker image using the tree Docker image scan. Then after complete successful of this process, this will also perform this SonarQube analysis using the Jenkins, like this. Then after complete analysis using the different tools, then it will provide the Gmail notification whether the our pipeline gets successfully executed or get failed. This is our Terraform code. Here what we are doing here is, we create the security group. In the security group, we have allowed the ingress and egress for the custom TCP output. Then we create two EC2 instance. One is Jenkins and another is SonarQube. Through the install jenkins.sh and install sonarcube.sh, we install the required dependencies inside this EC2 instance. This will be available in the GitHub. When we initialize, validate, and plan, and then apply this Terraform code, we will get the two instances installing dependencies in each instance. And this is our Netflix pipeline, because we are going to deploy the Netflix application in this. This is the credential section, and this is the SonarQube server. Don't worry, everything will be here in this blog post. Right now I have not configured it in a proper format, but I will. The link of this blog post about this whole project will be available in the link in the description. And this is our Netflix clone using Next.js application. When I commit from here, then I have also configured the Netflix clone application webhook. When there is any change in this repository, then the webhook will get triggered and this pipeline will get automatically triggered. And I have also configured the notification for the pipeline. Let's I have made some changes and I have added and committed as well. Then I am going to push this into my GitHub repository. Here I have successfully triggered my commit. Let's check. Here it is showing now. Then this webhook get also get triggered. Let's check our Jenkins pipeline. Here the Jenkins pipeline is automatically get triggered. Here we have successfully completed our pipeline. What this pipeline does here is, first of all, it check over the GitHub, then it will use tree file scan, then it remove the existing Docker image so that we can get the fresh Docker image. Then it build the Docker image and push that Docker image into the Docker registry. Let's check here. Refresh Docker Hub. Here we have successfully pushed the Docker image to the Docker Hub a minute ago. Then it will again scan that Docker image using the tree. Then it performs the SonarQube analysis test. This test has been successfully passed. Here we get the report analysis. Then it will post action. Here it sends the notification to the email whether the pipelines fail or pass. Let's refresh this. Here the Jenkins pipeline successful. We have get successful notification to our email as well. Now let's check. This is the Docker images of the Netflix app. Let's run the container and check the Netflix clone. We have successfully run the Docker image in the port 3000. Let's check this. Here we have successfully deployed our Netflix clone application. This is the simple front-end clone of Netflix using the Next.js application. Like this. The link of this repo will be available in the description. The simple webhook. Let's again discuss this diagram. First of all, when we apply Terraform code, then it will create two EC2 instance, one for Jenkins server and one for the SonarQube server, and all the requirement will be installed using the SS file. Then it performs the several tasks. Complete CICD pipeline using the complete DevSecOps tool. The whole detail of this project will be available in this blog post. Thanks for watching.